Hello and welcome back to another episode of Measurement in a Minute. I'm your host, 𝗦𝗧𝗔𝗬𝗘 with Lakeside Process Controls. And in today's video, we're continuing our discussion around rose mount micromotion flow meter technologies. In particular, we're talking about how to obtain a volumetric flow rate from your Coriolis Mass Flow Meter. Now the first question becomes, why does mass flow and volumetric flow matter? One of the great reasons we use a Coriolis flow meter is because it measures mass flow, which has been proven to be a better measurement than volumetric flow rates because it's impervious to pressure, temperature, viscosity changes. Well, this is a great example behind me. It's called a product transfer application. So let's say we have created products A, B, and C, and we are now selling those to our customer. Well, in these applications, we care about both mass and volumetric flow rates. Really, they're totalizations. Why is that the case? Well, we sell on a mass basis and we transfer on a volume basis. Mass, for all those great reasons, is the best method to be able to sell our products, especially if we have to meet custody transfer standards or Measurement Canada approvals, or depending on where you are around the world. Now, on a volumetric basis, it's also equally important because if we're transferring to a rail car, we're transferring to a tanker truck pictured behind me, they have a fixed volume that they can store. And we certainly don't want to overfill these tanker trucks because that would be obviously very inefficient. You'd have wasted product, and that'd also be a safety hazard because depending on these products, they're going to be spilling everywhere, and that could be an environmental hazard. So that's why we care about both mass flow and volumetric flow rates, and really their totalizations. And this is an application we can certainly help our customers with. Now the question becomes, how do you get your volumetric flow rates from your mass flow meter? Well, going back to how a Coriolis flow meter actually operates is it measures the mass flow by looking at the tube's phase shift difference from one another, but it also measures the density by looking at the tube's frequency. Very, very important to understand these measurements are made independently of one another. So if you go back to some basic physics equations or fluid mechanics, you'll know that when you divide your mass flow by your density, you look at the unit conversion there, you're left with liters per minute or whatever units you want. That's how you can obtain a volumetric flow rate. Very important to understand that this is a calculated variable. Why is that important that it's not measured? Well, if we run into issues with our mass flow rate or our density measurements, we will guarantee to have an issue with your volumetric flow rates. And that's going to be very important to come in future videos when we're talking about two-phase flow. So keep that in the back of your mind. Should you have any questions about micromotion, Coriolis, or any other of our products, please reach out to us at www.lakesidecontrols.com. Thanks and have a great day.